In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Dune Awakening on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to play Dune Awakening on PlayStation consoles, specifically the PlayStation 5. So, I am recording this video on the end of June 2025. If you visit the official Dune Awakening website, the game is listed as being available on Steam. So you can go over to the Steam store page, it is available here, you can browse through all of the editions, purchase the one that you prefer, and start playing. So it was released officially on PC through Steam on 10th of June 2025. However, what about PlayStation consoles? The game has multiple trailers available on the official PlayStation channel and, of course, other places, and it already has a PlayStation Store page. So if you go over to the PlayStation Store and you look for Dune Awakening, you can already find the game. However, currently it only sits as announced, and the only option that you see is add to wishlist, release date to be determined. So basically, to keep it simple, the game is obviously going to be released officially on consoles. However, as it stands today, we can only speculate about the official release date. The developers have not given us a clear release date, so we just have to wait for more news in the future until it comes closer to release. My safe bet is that it is going to release between 2026, however, we could possibly see a release on this year as well. There's no way to know for sure, so just make sure that you follow their official blog posts, any sort of related gaming news, any sort of news outlets, and you will be able to acquire it through the official PlayStation Store when it officially releases. Then you purchase the game and download it there. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Dune Awakening on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.